Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some interesting features and this is the drawing. We start by creating this mid body by using these dimensions 24, 36, 43.56 and 23.94. New standard millimeter IPT, new sketch, and we draw a rectangle right here. We make this line as construction and we draw an arc with a radius 43.56. We project the X axis as a center line, X, this one. Then we disable center line and we apply this diameter of 36. Let's place on the same vertical this point with a center point. The other dimension is 24 and this is 23.94. Okay, now we have a fully constrained sketch and we apply revolve. This is the first volume. We continue with this feature and we have to take care about this curved face. Dimensions are a lot: 20, 45, radius 45, radius 55, and be careful, this arc goes to this point on a vertical and the other end is also on this point. This is why we use the plane YZ, F7. We project this external circle and also the internal. This must be construction. We draw two lines, 1, 2, both as construction. What is this? I don't like this. Then we draw an arc from here to somewhere here with a radius of 45. This arc contains this point. Yes. Then we draw a line, but we create an arc. I keep press the left button and I go right here. Then I also keep press the left button and I go somewhere here and back to the center. You'll see why. This is 45 degrees. random value, but interesting is that this is radius 5.14. This dimension is 45. Then we place this arc on this point. Yes, I told you this must be placed here and this here. Good. What is this arc? 55. Good. Now the last dimension, which is 20. This is 20. Okay, I split this line. I make this as construction, and now we have here a close contour. You see all these. We have to go inside the part with this feature because of that curved face from outside. Finish sketch, extrude, we select this, not this. Symmetrical with the thickness of 14. Next is this pocket. You see the dimensions are radius 21, radius 30, radius 50, and dimensioning is for this radius 2. Yes, this is radius 2. It has a center, and you see dimensions to that centers: 20, 14, 35, 20, just like this arc is also 20, but the dimension is here. So we can apply this shape. Remember that radius 21 is centered here. Face for a new sketch, a new arc. I use this arc with the center here, the radius 21, and that end. Then I go somewhere here with a radius 30. The other arc is this one with a radius 50, and this is 21 dimension, 21 here. We place fillets of 2 millimeters to each corner. 1, 2, 3, and dimensions from the centers to the center point. This is 14, this is 35, this is 20, and another 20 is this. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction on 2 millimeters. Okay, 2 millimeters are here, you see, and you see a radius of 2 millimeters because all fillets are 2 millimeters. We apply that 2 millimeters, which is by default. Okay, then mirror of the last two features about this plane. You see where the shape appears. Good. Now there is a cut here. You see the part, this cut, yes, and dimensions are radius 20 again, 20 with the distance of 60. On this horizontal is placed the center of this radius. Good. The plane is the same. F7, we draw a circle with a diameter of 20 multiplied by 2. We don't invent dimensions. In the drawing is written 20, yes? We don't calculate by heart. 20 multiplied by 2 is 30. No, we use expressions to have a safety model, yes? Dimension from this point to this point is 60. We project this arc and we place on the same vertical, but it is horizontal, the 2, because here is 20. We know this. Finish sketch. What is the thickness of that cut? The thickness is 4 millimeters. Extrude, symmetrical, 4 millimeters with cut, not join. Now I place the hole. The diameter is 4 millimeters. Very easy to apply. This is the face, this is the center, and the dimension is 4 millimeters through all the part. Okay, now we have to create this clamp. Yes, it is placed at an angle from the main body. The dimension is 45 degrees, the thickness is 14, the diameter is 30, and the placement is at the 30 millimeters from here. But we start with creating a plane at 45 degrees. We apply plane, we select this plane, and we also select the axis Z. Then we use this arrow to go to around 45. We write here 45. Okay, and now a sketch in this plane with a circle of 30 at a distance of 30, distance of 30 from this point, and aligned on horizontal, I suppose, with the center point. Finish sketch. We don't need this plane anymore, and we apply extrude. Symmetrical on 14. Okay, now we have that new feature. Another feature is this. You see that it is a face with this contour and this mid plane. We have to create a plane. Yes, we create a plane. That plane is this one combined with the Z axis at 90 degrees. Okay. Then we also create an axis, you'll see why. And the new sketch is based on this, F7. I project this axis here, and I start a new line from this point. You see, not the center of this, but this point. I go here, I press the left button, I go to the other intersection, and at distance of 18. This is placed at a distance of 18 from that projection of the axis. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, and 12. Okay, I hide the work plane. The axis Z is already hidden, and this axis. Good. I hide this axis, and now we place a hole here. This 4 millimeters diameter. Hole, face, center, and 4 millimeters through all the part. Okay. Then another hole on this face with this center and a diameter of 19.98. Okay, you see that dimension right here, 1998. Good. Now I use this face for a rectangle. I project this line and this circle because I want to place this midpoint here and collinear this line with this line. The cut is 2.5 millimeters. Dimension 2.5. Finish sketch. Extrude this area the other direction through the part. Okay, you see how it looks. Now fillets. You see here all fillets are radius 2. we have a strategy here. We start with this edge, 2 millimeters is by default, also this, then we go to that edges, then plus, and we select this all around, then the base fillets, and then the contour. Okay, chamfers, all chamfers 1 at 45. Chamfers are here, not 2 but 1. Also 1. Okay. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is absolutely the same with the old value. Cancel. I keep the previous value. Then we apply material as stainless steel, then view, visual style, shaded, default IBL, no, default lights. And now you see that there is no difference between the two models. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.